Hi everyone. Today we will be talking about consulting firms in my series for types of employments in SAP or ERP. So let us understand what is a consulting firm. In the end of the video, I will also explain you the subtle differences between consulting firm which is existing in EMEA or North America and their counterparts in the offshore in India or any other country where offshore is predominant. Why? Because I had worked in UK in one of the top consulting firms, Axon Global, and initially it was a cultural shock for me as well because I came from the IT service industry background, and when I worked in that consulting firm, there were some eye openers for me. So let me share my experience also with you with respect to consulting firms. Now, consulting companies. Now, what are consulting companies or consulting firm? A consulting firm is a professional service firm that provides expert advice for a fee. Now, that this expert word is very important when it comes to consulting companies because their fee is very high or steep, and or when organizations hire them, they are usually looking for these consulting firms to solve business problems, and they expect a high accuracy and high performance. It's not more about cost cutting, but whereas it is more about having a expert's advice. Now, implementing SAP or any other ERP product is one of the outcome of their analysis. Now, there are typically five big firms which are well known for consulting, and few of them also provide SAP ERP services as well. And they also have a predominant existence in offshore. And usually, what I have seen is their offshore counterpart is more on IT service company angle, because that is used to leverage the offshore benefits, which are primarily cost. Now, these consulting firms, besides this five top consulting firms, you can also find consulting firms in small consulting firms, and they are usually found in developed markets such as EMEA, North America, etc. And some of these consulting firms are also specialized only in implementing SAP or ERP products. These consulting firms, because they hire experts, industry experts, which means they know the product which is being implemented in and out. That is why they have a flat structure. They do not have a reporting hierarchy like beginner, intermediate, or a lead, wherein you have a lead to help all the beginners with basic things like what should be done, what should not be done, because that cost cutting and other angle is not there. They expect you to be productive and you to deliver what is expected by the customer directly and immediately, and that is why their fees are very high. Accordingly, according to the fees, the compensation which is offered by these consulting firms is also very high. Now, earlier, typical functional expertise or technical expertise was also delivered by these consulting firms in onshore. Slowly and gradually, what happened is that because of offshore benefits of cost cutting and other things for with respect to profitability, the generic SAP technology like generic functional consulting and your technical ABAP work or any other generic technical work which can be done from offshore has been outsourced to offshore. However, these existing consulting companies thrive on niche products. let's say a new product has been launched in the market. They will hire experts from these new niche products, or even in the existing technology which has been existing for a long time. If you need a particular expertise, which is business critical, or is going to make a huge impact or profitability, it will impact your profitability by a huge percentage. These consulting firm experts will be hired by the clients or customers, and they will be performing the this work. So if you know a particular technology, niche technology or new technology in and out, and if you do move to India or North America, or any other developed market, there is a high chance that you might get recruited in one of the consulting firms. So that's it from my side. Thank you. Bye.